Lately, I've been citing some statistics on TikTok, which makes me realize that a lot of people don't really understand how to judge whether a statistic is a good statistic or a bad statistic. So remember, most studies are correlative, not causative. You're looking at a relationship between the two things being true rather than a cause and effect. Most cause and effects can't be studied because you can't go out and give people STDs anymore. And yes, the United States did do that. Thank you, Tuskegee. If it's an important number and you've got the time, you should read the research methodology section and just try to make sure that they're isolating the correct variable. Another good thing is to look at the difference between the average or mean and the median. So for example, if the average income is $45,000 in the United States, which it isn't, by the way, I'm making that up, the median might be around $30,000. Again, I'm making that number up. The median shows that there are a lot more poor people than there are people making millions and millions and millions of dollars, but the millions of dollars are throwing the numbers off. So looking at those two numbers side by side often paints a better picture. Also, you want to think about whether or not something is self-reported and whether people have a tendency to lie about it. Like, if you want to know how much people donate to charity, are they going to tell you exactly how much they donated? Are they going to round up a little? Maybe. If you're trying to measure certain male body parts, do people lie about that? If self-reported? Probably, yeah. The larger the group, the easier it is to tell whether a correlation is strong. However, you should never discount a sample size of one. Sometimes one condition leads to the discovery of a new disease. So always listen.